Hop, map. The map below shows the development rivojlanishini of the village qishloqda Raymouth yoki Raymouth pronunciationini bilmayman. Between 1995 and present, hozirgi zamonda. So introduction, paraphrase. The report outlines changes. Report outlines changes in the village. Okay. The report outlines data regarding the transformation of Raymouth village. Transformation of Raymouth village over a 31-year period. 1995 and from 1995 present day into pictures. Hop, and now I need to write my overview. Demak, birinchi nima bo'lyapti? 1995-yilda shimolida bizda farmland bo'lyapti, forest park. Demak, greenery hududlarimiz bo'lgan, yashil hududlar. Xo'p, men yashil hududlarda odatda greenery deyman va greenery deb turib farmland and forest park ni aytyapman. We had also residential facilities. Bizda shuningdek yashash qulayliklari bo'lgan, bularga kiryapti housing on the north, shimol tarafda. Demak, bu yerda housing bor ekan. Undan tashqari bizda qolgan facilitylar o'z ichiga olyapti hotel. Undan tashqari shop bor ekan, bu restoranga aylanibdi. Restaurant, yes. Undan tashqari fish market bor ekan. Bu apartments bo'libdi. Fish market apartmentga aylanibdi. Hop, kafe o'z o'rnida qolibdi. Fishing port esa bizda nima qilinibdi? Destroyed. Buzib yuborilibdi. Additional facilitylar qo'shilibdi. Bularda bizda bo'lyapti car park next to a hotel. Hotelda oldiga car park qo'shilibdi. Va bizda greenery forest arealarimiz aylanibdi. Tennis courts and a golf area. Demak, mana shu bo'lib o'tgan changelar. Xo'p, demak bizda nima bo'libdi? Umumiy holatda olsam, residential facilities improved bo'libdi. Plus bizda bu yerda bo'libdi. Demak, greenery turned into golf and tennis courts. Plus bizda restaurant, apartment va undan tashqari shop paydo. Demak, restaurant paydo bo'lyapti bizda. Shop o'rniga. Car park. Overall living conditions also improved. Endi overall umumiy holatda yozadigan bo'lsam, as can be seen, The village witnessed a uh, rather significant transformation throughout the period throughout the period with its residential facilities being enhanced to a large scale. Plus, there can be seen also overall living enhancement. Okay, there also can be seen overall entertainment enhancement tennis and golf areas coming with the cost of greenery and for instance tennis and golf areas it's the cost of the greenery and a restaurant while uh in this while the shift is evident the shift in the area is evident from being industrialized to industrialized to more residential friendly Xo'p, demak bizda overviewimiz yozib olindi mana. Overview and here we have our introduction. Xo'p, main body 1. The village has witnessed. Sabab bitta narsani unutmaslik kerak, present deb qo'ygandi. Bu yerda men odatda present perfect ishlatishim kerak, yangiliklar haqida gapirayotgan bo'lsam. As can be seen, ko'rilgandek, the village has witnessed boshdan kechiribdi a rather significant transformation, demak sezilarli o'zgarishni throughout the period, muddat davomida, with its residential facilities being enhanced at a large scale, katta ko'lamda uning yashash hududlari rivojlantirildi. Plus qo'shimchasi there can be seen also overall entertainment enhancement, umumiy ko'ngil ochish rivojlanishi ham ko'rilishi mumkin. Misol uchun tennis, golf areas hududlari as a cost of greenery, shu hududda and a restaurant. While xuddi shu paytda the shift in the area is evident from being industrialized to more residential friendly. Demak, o'zgarish hududda aniq. From being industrialized bo'lishdan residential friendlyga. Xo'p, men badiiy 1995-yil. In 1995, the access to the village was from the north western area through the road stretching to the beach area, to the beach and separating, stretching to the beach and dividing where the road divided and went to the east and west sides. Divided sides. On both left and right sides. Side tomonlarida. On both left and right sides of the road. In the north, shimolda, was where on the both left and right sides of the road in the north was where housing areas were located. Additionally, the village had a separate residential region in the square shape. Moving on eastern side of the village, residents had a forest park. Residents could access to the forest park, above of which was a farmland. While on the southern area of the village, there was access to the sea. Along the beach the beach, along the beach, along the beach. Villagers, villagers, qishloqdagilar had fish market and fish market on the more western area of the beach and a cafe on the opposite side. To the opposite, qarshisida. Opposite, in front of the, in front of the fish market, in front of the fish marketni to'g'risida was fish market, a shop was situated. And where, and in the vicinity of the intersection of the road, there used to be, there was a hotel. Hop, 1995-yilda the access, kirish to the village, qishloqqa, was from the northwestern area through the road. Yo'l bo'ylab mana shu qismdan bo'lgan. Stretching, demak davom etib, to the beach, sohilgacha. Where, qayerdaki, the road divided and went to the east and west sides. Yo'l bo'lingandi va chap va o'ng tomonlariga yurgandi. On both left and right sides of the road, yo'lning ikkala tomonida ham, in the north, shimolda, demak shimolda ikkala tomonida ham, was where housing areas were located. Joyida, qayerdagi housing arealar joylashgan. Additionally, qo'shimcha holatda, the village had a separate residential region in the square shape. Demak, square shape'da qo'shimcha alohida residential areasi ham bor edi. Moving on the eastern side of the village'ni eastern tomoniga yuradigan bo'lsak, mana bu yerda residents could access to the forest parkga kirishlari mumkin edi. Access to a forest park, above of which, qaysiniki tepasida, was a farmland bor edi. While xuddi shu paytda on the southern area of the village there was access to the sea. Bu yerda seaga kirish bor edi. Along the beach bo'ylab, villagers had a fish market. Ularda fish market bo'ldi. On the more western area of the beach, g'arbroq tomonida. In the cafe on the opposite side, qarshi tomonda, demak g'arbda bo'lsa, qarshi tomonda. In front of fish marketning to'g'risida, a shop was situated. Shop joylashgan edi. And in the vicinity of intersection of the road, yo'lning burilish qismida, ajralish qismida, there was a hotel. Bu yerda hotel bor edi. In the vicinity of degan o'shaning ichida, yonida. Hop, menimcha hamma narsani aytib o'tdik. Main body 2. During the period, muddat davomida, muddat davomida muddat davomida there has been a number of changes in the layout of the map. Mapni layoutida bir nechta o'zgarishlar bo'ldi. For example, the residential the volume of accommodation in the village has been increased. Ko'paydi. Boss kelar in the northern side and inside of the square housing area, which in fact qaysi fakt bo'yicha which in fact gained an extra qo'shimcha access from the west, g'arbdan. Demak, g'arbdan yana bitta kirish bo'ldi. Shuni ham aytib ketyapmiz. Xo'p, undan keyingisi the greenery, a farmland and a forest park has been converted into a tennis court and a golf areaga aylantirildi. Golf area. While the same modification can be seen where a shop used to be. It has given room for a restaurant. Modification. We also now have apartment blocks where previously a fish market occupied. Also facilities like qulayliklar kabi a cafe and a hotel have remained intact. O'zgarmasdan qoldi. At present, those visiting a hotel can enjoy a car park built next to it. the disappearance of the fish market has resulted in the demolishment demolishment disappearance demolish resulted in demolishing a fishing port fishing port fishing port was in the middle area in the center region which Hop demek oldu. During the period müddet davomida there have been a number of changes in the layout of the mapda layoutda bir nechta o'zgarishlar bo'ldi. For example, misol uchun the volume of accommodation in the village'dagi miqdori accommodationda has been increased, ko'paytirildi, both in the northern side and inside of the square housing area. Demak, ikkala joyda ham ko'paytirildi. Demak, mana ko'paytirilgan which qaysiki in fact gained an extra access from the west, qo'shimcha access oldi westdan. The greenery, yashil hudud, ya'ni farmland and also forest park, has been converted into tennis courts. Demak, aylantirildi tennis kortlarga and a golf area. Demak, tennis court ikkita, golf areaga. While xuddi shu paytda the same modification can be seen where a shop used to be. Bir xil o'zgarish ko'rilishi mumkin where a shop used to be. Shop turgan joyda. Demak, bular aylantirildi deyapman. Xuddi shu kabi o'zgartirish ko'rilishi mumkin shop turgan joyda. Hop. Nima bo'lyapti? It has given room for a restaurant. Demak, u restoran uchun joy berdi. We also now have apartment blocks. Bizda shunday apartment bloklar bor. Where previously a fish market occupied. Qayerdaki oldin fish market turgan joyda. Also, garchi facilities like a cafe and a hotel have remained intact. Mana bu kabi facilitylar o'zgarmasdan qoldi. At present, those visiting a hotel can enjoy a car park built next to it. Hozirda hotelda visit qilayotganlar car parkdan enjoy qilishi mumkin, uni oldida qurilgan. The disappearance of fish market has also resulted shuningdek natija berdi in demolishing a fishing portni buzilishiga ham olib keldi. So that's it.